Hello everyone. Today we come to visit Morgan Lights. They sell exquisite and very special lights here. We'll see what we can find here today to show you.
嗨，大家好！今天我们来到中国很奢华的一个品牌摩根。今天我们会在这儿看到很多布灵或者闪的东西，来，我们一起来探索一下。
Let's go have a look.
啊，
What do we have over there?
这都是灯，这都是灯。
Wow, what do we have over here? Is it a real candle inside?
哦，
Wow.
咦，很厉害哟！你会变魔法了？
We see with this one.
咦，
Wow,
哇，你会
that's
变
so
魔法
special, huh?
？Yes，
Yes.
厉害厉害。
Then what do we have over here?
哦，还有这儿，还有一个就是
Be careful not to
啊
break it.
底线。
All of them, in fact, are made out of stone. Look at that.
像这些灯都是。
Wow, do you want to see the real gold light? This metal is not copper, it's actually gold inside the light.
哦，
On the air, we have this special light. Wow, look at that. The one way it should become brighter, and the other way, then it goes off. Isn't that amazing? And it's like
哦，
real
天然的食
stone.
材。嗯，
Then over here we have this
哦，
cup coasters made out of real stone. It's rechargeable, so if you put your cup on it, then
这个这么奢华的，你高一点，你看看你们还是。
here we found so much nice stuff here, but everything is very expensive.
花园啊，这些还是很需要。
But the quality is so nice, it's really worth it.
嗯，
Yes, look what is that? That looks like a big dinosaur egg lying in the grass there.
对，
What did Feng find now?
嗯，这羊绒的不同材质的吧，还有这个纸的，这日式的，这个也很
This is one paper light. Let's look over there. Wow, another crystal light. But it's so bright, we almost not can see it. Then what do we have over there?
中国结这日灯。
Here we have some more of that lights. Look at that one.
哦，你看这种运用，这
Yes,
个
that
石
one
头
is，so beautiful.
这石头放下边，上面也是一个灯。
Yes. Wow, look what we have over here. Look at this light, and then
哦，眼泪
it。shines on. It's like water dropping down, and the light shines onto the water.
灯光的眼泪吗？
Yes. It looks like a water drop, and then the light shines on the water. Wow, very artistic.
听说这个都是大师的作品，弓箭、
Oh,
shot，
bow and arrow.
就这样子的。嗯，这也是一个灯。
Yes, there's one mirror light and some more stone lights here. This one, I thought it's paper, but this one isn't paper. This one's made out of stone. Now we are going to the Smart Home exhibition. Now we've arrived to the Smart Home section. We're gonna test out what happens if you come home. Now we can see everything is dark here.
哦，
Look,
黑的。
yes, very dark. The curtains are closed. Everything is off.
哦，那我们
Now,
回家了。
now let's see what happens when we come home.
啊，我按一下。
Now, what happens? Nothing happened.
慢慢的再
Oh,
来那儿
first, yes.
窗帘。
There's one light that comes on here. Over there, the curtains are opening. Wow. And what do we hear? We hear some music now.
哦，是吧？
Yes. Now let's see what happens if we close everything again.
哦，我们离家回去走了是吧？
Yes.
离家。
Yes, close it. Let's go look now.
哦，这关了。
So over here we see now the curtains are closing, the music's off, and the lights are starting to dim out. Then slowly everything goes off. It's quite amazing. What do you think, Ponky?
好，
Over there is a big yellow door. We don't know how to open it. Let's look what is there on the wall. I hope I push the right button and suddenly everything doesn't go off. Nothing happened.
哎，
You try to press it there.
这儿，大黄门开来了，哇，这里边是不是藏的宝藏啊？
Wow, and look what's inside.
哇，真的是宝藏！你看，好多
This is all
金
the
的、银
remotes.
的、黄的，啊，太奢华了。
Let's see if we can use this remote to dim the light. Wow,
Oh.
just look at that.
没了，关了。这个
Look at it.
Watch this 这是
Wow, it's
哦，好
yes,
重。
it's so heavy. Wow, maybe
这个东西啊，我还是要摁一下。哦，开始亮了，
yes.
也可以，你看
Wow.
灯光也可以，
Then everything becomes bright.
灯光变暗。
Yes.
对，暗了，暗了，这样子也亮了。这个很好玩，来给你送给你。
Yes, but it's too heavy to use now.
还有一个这个，这个是个象牙，是吧？
Looks like a small boat.
对，看这个也是一些开关在上边。
This is the normal remote, which you can also use to switch on and off everything and to dim the lights.
好啦，今天我们就带大家看了这个中国制造，最奢华的品牌。后期我们还会带大家去寻找更好用、更性价比高的东西。
Today we came to visit this light shop and we found so many useful and user-friendly and forward-thinking products here that it was very nice to experience it, and we learned lots about the products. I hope you guys also enjoyed the journey and that you found something that you like. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.